You think you're ready for your first Brazilian wax? Wait until you hear this tip, the one no one ever tells you, not even your esthetician. This one secret can literally make the difference between a smooth, confident experience and a painful regret. Whether you're in London, New York, Sydney, or Nairobi, this guide is for every woman stepping into her first Brazilian wax with curiosity, nerves, and courage. And yes, I'll reveal the ultimate must-know tip at the very end. But first, let's make sure you avoid the top mistakes that beginners make, the ones nobody ever talks about. First up, let's talk skin. Knowing your skin type before you even book that appointment is crucial. Is your skin sensitive or normal? Dry skin needs extra prep to avoid irritation. My rule of thumb: avoid trying any new lotions or potions right before your wax. If you're unsure how your skin will react, do a small patch test at home first. Also, take a quick look at your medications. Some meds can make your skin way more sensitive. And please, don't get a wax right after a day in the sun. Your skin is already stressed. The sweet spot for moisturizing is about 24 hours before your appointment. Any closer, and the wax won't grip properly. Next, timing is everything. Seriously, the best time to get waxed is right after your period ends. Your pain threshold is at its highest then. Avoid booking during PM's week at all costs, as everything just hurts more. I also find that morning appointments are calmer, and you're less likely to be sweaty, which can interfere with the wax. And a golden rule: never, ever schedule your first wax the day before a big event. Give yourself a couple of days for any redness to go down. For the wax to even work, your hair needs to be about 1/4 of an inch long, like a grain of rice. Once you start, aim for a consistent 4 to 6 week routine. Keeping a little wax diary to track your cycle can be a game changer. Now let's talk about who you trust with this delicate task. Choosing a professional isn't just about the price tag. Cheaper isn't always safer. Before you book anywhere, dive into local Google reviews. Whether you're in Cape Town or NYC, see what real people are saying. Ask about their hygiene standards. Are they using new sticks for every dip? Is the bed covered with clean paper? Is your esthetician licensed? Trust your gut. If the vibe feels off, walk away. Your safety and comfort are non-negotiable. Okay, let's get into the mental game, because your brain plays a huge role in your experience. Prepare your mind. Expect some mild discomfort, not medieval torture. Visualization can be powerful. Picture yourself calm and relaxed. When the esthetician is about to pull, take a deep breath in and exhale through the pull. Don't hold your breath. It tenses your muscles and makes it worse. Bring a calming playlist, chat with your esthetician, or even laugh about the absurdity of it all. The less tense you are, the less it will hurt, and plan a little reward for yourself afterward. You deserve it. One of the best ways to ensure a great result is exfoliation. About 48 hours before your wax, use a gentle scrub on the area. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and opens up your pores so the wax can get a cleaner grip. Avoid harsh chemical exfoliants like acids, which can make your skin too sensitive. You can even make a natural scrub at home with sugar and honey. Just remember, do not exfoliate on the same day as your appointment. That's a recipe for irritation. Let's talk temperature. There's hot wax and there's warm wax, and they aren't the same. Sensitive skin usually prefers a soft, warm wax. Your esthetician should always test the temperature on their own wrist first. But don't be afraid to say something if it feels too hot on your skin. If you're attempting this at home, please be careful. Avoid microwaving your wax. It heats unevenly. A proper wax warmer with a temperature control is your best friend, and always have a cool compress ready just in case. Here's a little technique secret: the angle pull. The wax strip should always be pulled parallel to the skin, not straight up. Pulling upwards is what causes bruising and breakage. Your esthetician should hold your skin taut with one hand and pull quickly with the other. A slow pull is a painful pull. After the strip is removed, applying gentle pressure to the area immediately helps soothe the follicles. This technique drastically reduces the trauma to your skin. Now, for that secret I promised you at the beginning. The #1 must-know tip for your first Brazilian wax is this: the first wax isn't about perfection, it's about training your skin and hair. Don't go in expecting to come out as smooth as a dolphin on day one. You might have some stray hairs, you might have some redness. That's normal. The goal of the first session is to start the process and build tolerance. I promise you, your second wax will feel so much easier. Trust the process. celebrate the small win of just getting through it, and stay consistent. This brings me to my next point. Do not, I repeat, do not shave between your waxing sessions. It completely ruins the rhythm you're trying to build. Shaving makes the hair grow back with a blunt edge, which can feel thicker and make your next wax more painful. It also increases your risk of ingrown hairs. Stick to your 4 to 6 week schedule. If you feel you need to tidy up, use a trimmer, but leave the razor alone. You're teaching your body and your hair follicles a new routine. Once the wax is done, your job isn't over. It's time for the post-wax cooling routine. Aloe vera gel is going to be your absolute lifesaver. Keep a tube in the fridge for extra cooling relief. For the next 24 hours, avoid tight clothing. Let your skin breathe. This also means no intense workouts, no hot tubs, and no perfumed lotions on the area. A quick rinse with cool water is fine. A hydrating, gentle mist can also feel amazing and help the skin recover. For my brave DIY warriors, let's quickly cover some common mistakes to avoid at home. The biggest one is getting the wax temperature wrong, leading to burns or ineffective removal. Other pitfalls include not prepping the skin, double dipping your application sticks, which is a huge hygiene no-no, and using a generic body wax on the delicate bikini area. Also, try not to wax during a heat wave. The extra sweat and humidity make it much harder. Always do a patch test, and never, ever skip aftercare. A quick note for my ladies with mature skin or those going through menopause. Your skin might be a bit thinner and more sensitive. If you use retinol products, stop using them on the area at least a week before your wax. Opt for more flexible waxes designed for sensitive skin and hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Estrogen changes can affect your pain sensitivity, so communicate openly with your esthetician. They might need to go a bit slower and take extra care. Let's quickly talk about body positioning, because being comfortable helps you relax. In the salon, your esthetician will guide you, but often it's a butterfly pose with the soles of your feet together. If you're at home, a mirror can be incredibly helpful. Use cushions to support your legs and back so you're not straining. And again, don't hold your breath. Practice stillness, but if a position is genuinely uncomfortable, speak up. So you've decided to try it at home. Here are a few tools you'll love. Get some non-stick silicone applicators. They're reusable and easy to clean. A wax warmer with automatic temperature control is a must for safety. Post-wax soothing wipes are great for removing residue. Exfoliating gloves, a bit of baby powder to absorb moisture pre-wax, and a good pair of tweezers for any stubborn strays will complete your kit. Aftercare isn't just for the first 24 hours. It's what gives you those amazing long-term results. Exfoliate gently once or twice a week, starting about 48 hours after your wax. Use a mild antibacterial soap to keep the area clean. Avoid public pools for the first couple of days. I also recommend sleeping in loose cotton underwear to let the skin breathe. And remember, what you put inside your body matters. Drink lots of water and try to limit sugary foods, which can contribute to inflammation. Have you heard of the 3-wax rule? It's a great mindset to adopt. The first wax is for prep. The second wax is for perfecting the results. And by the third wax, it often feels nearly painless. The point is, don't judge your entire waxing journey based on one session. Your skin develops a kind of memory, your hair grows back finer, and your confidence skyrockets. It really is a process. Finally, let's create a little ritual around this. The Wax Glow Routine. It's a simple 3-step process: exfoliate, wax, hydrate. After your post-wax cooling period, you can start incorporating a drop of vitamin E oil into your moisturizing routine. This helps improve skin tone and texture, brighten the bikini line, and combat any dullness. Turn it into a little self-care moment. Remember, it's completely normal to feel nervous or awkward, especially the first time. Everyone does. Celebrate your own bravery for trying something new for yourself. This isn't about vanity. It's about what makes you feel confident and good in your own skin. You deserve to feel smooth and amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you feel way more prepared and confident for your first Brazilian wax. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and self-care tips. See you in the next video.